Today we are unboxing a Trendsend box from Evereve. This is a subscription service that is provided by the brand Evereve. Evereve is retail stores. They are smaller stores. I recently found them within the last year, maybe 2 years, and I absolutely love the brand. I love their own style as well as a lot of the brands that they carry. Now, there is a subscription service. I do have a discount code down below for $25 off. If you use it, you get $25 off. And when you use it, then I get $25 off my next box. I love these boxes, and they are basically a subscription service where you fill out a survey, you tell them what you're looking for, and then they curate items together for you and give you different outfit looks to put together for the occasion or just for the season that you're looking for. So we're gonna jump right in and try these outfits on for you today. I will say that they gave me 4 different outfits, and to be honest with you, I had asked for more complete outfits and they were just jeans and tops. So let's jump in, look at these 4 outfits, and let me know your thoughts down below on the items that they sent to me. Starting with the first look. The first look is 2 items. Each of these outfits are, as I mentioned, one is the jeans, which are here, and then the top. We're gonna start with the top. I will have all of the details over to the side. This top is from a brand called River. It is a blouse. It is a beautiful color. I love the color of it. It's definitely one that I would need to like play around with, tuck in or something like that, but I wanted to leave it out and show it to you first. It does have a great cut on the side, which makes it very comfortable. Has a good amount of give to it, especially in the balloon sleeve. I don't personally love where this hits me here. I would prefer it up here or all the way down to my wrist. The material's fine. It is a pricey item. This isn't a size medium as well. Let me mention that. Just to show you the blouse tucked in. It actually tucks in very easily because it's not super long, so it doesn't have a lot to go in. Next though are these jeans. This is the first pair of jeans I've tried from the brand Evereve. They are a straight leg jean in a size 30. I don't love them. I don't hate them. I have other jeans. I like the wash of it. It is a lot of stretch. I could have gone down to a size 29 in these, just as a note. They're around, I think they're $128. For $128, they're just better jeans that I like more out there. These are fine. This outfit's kind of just okay. I will mention as well that I'm wearing my booties because they do not provide shoes any longer in Trendsend boxes, which I might be wrong. I felt like they did previously. Next look is taking those same jeans and then changing up the top. This is a sweater blouse. It is from the brand Sanctuary. It is in a size large. I think it is $89. I actually like the length of this because it's not too long or too short. It just sits at a nice spot. Again, what is with these balloon sleeves that are like stopping here? I just don't love this. It feels a little big in through under here. I asked for classic styles, and this to me is just something about this. I'm not Number 3, we will start with this top. It is from Evereve. It is very cute. It is a size medium. I like the colors in it, but it's just not my style. I'm not real big on prints. I think that it's got beautiful details to it, but I had received and kept a top the last time I did a Trendsend, and I still haven't even worn that one, and I like that one more than this one. It does have a layer underneath of it, and the sleeves are kind of see-through. Now this is the length I like of a balloon sleeve, a little bit down further. This top is $88. It's nice. I just don't love it. Next are the jeans. The jeans are from Cut from the Cloth. I love Cut from the Cloth jeans. I think they are very, very well made at a great price point. These are $99. They are in a size 10. I don't know. That would have been tough to go down, but I just feel like there's a high-rise straight leg jean. Like, I told them I have a lot of jeans, and they sent me 2 pairs of jeans. I did throw on a sock booty with these though, because no one wants to see like the ankle booties I had on and then white skin and then the jeans. I don't know, these just hit me funny. I don't love this look either. Evereve is not doing well with this trend. Last item is this sweater, and I love this sweater. This is so cute. It's just different but still classic. I like the length of it. This is from a brand called RD Collection. It is $108, so it is a pricier item. It is in a size medium. Now, keep in mind, I would probably not wear it with this style of jean. I don't know. I'm just not loving this look that they put together, but I do love this sweater. It is so soft and so cozy. This is my favorite item. So those are the 4 outfits. What did you think? Was there one you liked? Was there one you didn't like? Were you like me? Did you love this sweater? I absolutely love it. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in checking out the Trendsend service, there is a $25 off coupon down below. And links for all of the items that I tried on will be provided down below, as well as separate items. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments as well. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day.